Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the pulsator cap in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new pulsator cap. The pulsator cap is installed on the top of the pulsator assembly. It covers the mounting bolt. The main reason for replacing the pulsator cap is if it breaks and won't stay in place. We're going to start with opening the lid. To remove this old pulsator cap, we need to insert the flat blade screwdriver into the cutout openings that located are at the end of each side of this triangle at the bottom. So we're going to slide it in, push it in and lift it slightly. Then we're going to go to this side, press it in, lift it up, and this third one. And now we can remove it. Oops, the first one got locked again. Alright, as you can see, there's 3 tabs I was talking about. We were sliding the screwdriver into this cutout and pressing against the tabs. This is the old pulsator cap next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, the new pulsator cap has only one cutout here. There's no more, so they're probably saving money on the production of it. The pins goes into these holes in the pulsator. I'm going to place one in and match the other two. Press it in and lock. Now we can close the lid. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.